buy iPhone 13 mini today. There was no queue on Saturday, so it was pretty quick to get in.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, very good, thank you. I'm just wondering if I can buy iPhone 13 mini.
13 mini? Of
Yeah.
course. Yeah, so do you mind waiting for around 10 to 15 minutes waiting time?
Oh yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, what is
Sure.
your name, please?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Mini 13. It doesn't look so much different, but when you hold it, it feels much different. I love all colorful cases. Especially this pink color is so adorable. You can also get extra discount if you trade in your old iPhone. It really depends on which model and the condition of your phone. Yes, thank you. That was 150 gigabyte. And does it apply 5G as well?
Yes, this is 5G data.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah. We'll just search your account number in the office.
So basically comes down to 369 per year.
Perfect.
Beautiful. Is that the best I have?
Yes.
Amazing. One of these is when you can have.
Hey guys, I finally got this mini size for mini. Yes! I saw this color with natural light is more likely baby pink color. Apple released gold pink, but I never wanted to have unless it's white or black. So I paid only $369 for the brand new iPhone 13 mini. I used to use up to $30 10GB plan, but of course, most of the months I overuse data, and if I added on $20. To get $1,000 offer, you have to go on 24 months Vodafone plan. I've never gone for a plan before because there is no benefit usually at the end. But if you use more than $50 every month, this is awesome. Let's say you use $50 for 24 months, it becomes $1,200. For this plan, it will be $1,656. So you pay $456 more than when you use $50 plan for 2 years. But you get $1,000 from Apple Store, so in the end you get $540 benefit. Oh my god, this is super cute color. Compared with iPhone 11 box, this is definitely smaller. Inside there is a cable but no adapter. Plus there are little pin and an Apple sticker. I don't think there is a huge difference between 11 and 13 mini for their camera, but I feel like 11 has warmer color. 13 mini is a little bit sharper than 11. Also, I can feel 13 mini is slightly more stable for the video because whenever I use 11 video, I feel like I moved too rapid, but I wasn't. If you like this video, please thumb up and subscribe my channel, because there are more coming up. Bye guys! Ciao!